Touchscreen smartwatch with Alexa built-in. Heart rate, blood oxygen, activity tracking, GPS, speaker, smartphone notification. Smartwatches with Wear OS by Google are compatible with phones running the latest version of Android or iOS. The newest Qualcomm 4100 Plus chipset brings a 30% enhanced performance, improved power, more reliable connection, and up to 4x range with Bluetooth 5. Automatically tracks activity goals, steps, sleep, heart rate, cardio, and SpO2, blood oxygen. Activity modes with GPS keep you on track with your distance and path. Advanced sensors provide the data to power all your health and fitness tracker apps. Always on display, now brighter with more colors and higher pixel count. Thousands of watch faces to personalize your look and always see the time. Hundreds of apps from fitness, music, social, news, stopwatches, and more. Stay connected with notifications for calls, texts, and apps. Automatic time zone and calendar syncing. Answer and make calls directly on your watch when your phone is out of reach. This smartwatch features a speaker, microphone, and customizable buttons. Our new caseback and included magnetic charger allow for faster charging than other generations. Charge up to 80% in 30 minutes. Optimize your battery life with